Alright, are we recording? Alright, here I am, Patrick McKenzie, doing my community service project in BIO 101. Doing a little bit of cleaning here, as you can see. I got a lot of work ahead of me, but I decided to record this now. I was thinking about all these plants here, and then you can see this huge jumble of Himalayan blackberry bushes. This reminded me of invasive species that were introduced to the area. You can just see that's about all there is right along here, and they take up all this space. They outcompete other species. But then there's a few other things over here. You can see a plant here. Getting up close, it also reminded me of another system we learned about. There's the nutrient cycle here in the dirt. This is the exchange pool where you would see where there'd be nutrients that the plant could use. That's part of the biotic community. This would help it grow and to sustain life. Might be kind of a stretch here. We see some rocks here on the ground. This could be an example of the inaccessible reservoirs. Might be nutrients in the rocks, you know, stuff. Weathering, water running over it could get the nutrients out of the rocks and into the exchange pool here into the soil where then plants could use it. Yeah, I know you can't really see it today, but the sun's still up there, I hope. Anyway, the sun can help spur photosynthesis in plants like this. Sun, the light going down in the leaves and hitting the chloroplast, going into the thylakoid. Trying to remember here. Helps make carbs and ATP. Yeah, it was CO2 in the atmosphere diffuses into the plant cell, and that helps makes the carb, which is carbon, oxygen, and hydrogen. Yeah, it was water from the chloroplast, and it's that that's what diffuses out oxygen. That's important for us to breathe. But then the carbon is the H in water, and also the hydrogens from water, and the carbon and oxygens from the CO2. And it's the electrons in the thylakoid that help phosphorylate ADP in order to make ATP. Well, I hope that's a good enough explanation of some concepts we've learned in class. I'm going to get back to work.